Welcome back to Road Ready Reviews, your trusted source for the most luxurious, futuristic, and inspiring machines on wheels. Today, we're stepping into something truly surreal, a rolling palace that redefines travel and elegance. This is the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motor Home, and it's not just a vehicle broken bar, it's a $5 million statement of ultimate prestige and freedom. So fasten your seatbelts, or better yet, sink into a massage recliner, because this ride is unlike anything you've seen before. From the outside, the Rolls-Royce Motor Home is nothing short of majestic. Its towering stance, long wheelbase, and sweeping lines echo the grandeur of the Phantom and Cullinan, only amplified to motor coach proportions. The front fascia bears the unmistakable spirit of ecstasy, resting proudly atop a custom illuminated Pantheon grille. Chrome trims wrap around the body, while flash-mounted cameras replace traditional mirrors. With fully adaptive LED matrix lighting and 26-inch polished alloy wheels, this land yacht demands presence on every road it touches. Under the hood, or rather, beneath the deck, lies a plug-in hybrid powertrain powered by a 6.75-liter V12 engine paired with an electric motor system, delivering over 700 horsepower. It glides silently on the highway with air suspension that reads the road in real time, offering a ride so smooth it feels like levitating. Whether it's coastal cruising or climbing the Alps, the Rolls-Royce Motor Home handles every journey with effortlessness and grace. But it's inside where the magic truly unfolds. Open the motorized entryway and you're greeted by an interior fit for royalty. Think crystal chandeliers, real wood marquetry, cashmere-lined ceilings, and handcrafted leather sourced from Rolls-Royce's exclusive hides. The lounge area features a U-shaped sofa with hidden compartments, a 65-inch 8K OLED TV, and electrochromic panoramic windows that tint at the touch of a button. There's a full chef's kitchen with marble countertops, smart appliances, and a voice-controlled pantry. Move toward the rear, and you'll find a master suite complete with a king-size floating bed, ambient starlight ceiling, and a walk-in wardrobe. The en-suite bathroom rivals five-star hotels, with heated flooring, a rain shower, and even a Japanese-style soaking tub all trimmed and brushed gold. And yes, it's all climate-controlled through an AI-powered smart system. With built-in satellite connectivity, autonomous driving mode, and a retractable outdoor deck for stargazing, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motor Home is more than luxury, it's an experience. An escape. A lifestyle. If this masterpiece blew your mind like it did ours, smash that like button, subscribe to Road Ready Reviews, and ring the bell so you never miss a look at the world's most elite machines. Until next time, travel bold, travel in style. Enjoyed this review? Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert car insights here on Road Ready Reviews.